You can put anything you want there. All right, so 5.5 is reflections and symmetry. You do not have an objective on this. All right, so a reflection, it's a transformation that creates a mirror image. So it mirrors, it's like backwards basically. Okay, then the line of reflection is the line that the original image is reflected over. For me on this. All right, let's try some of the examples. Can I move on? All right. Yes, sir. All right, number 1. What do you guys think? Is this a reflection?
Nope.
No, it's not flipped over. It's a slide. That's called a tessellation. So number 1 is a no. What about number 2? Yeah, that one can flip over. They can fold, like a sandwich. Or, not a sandwich, like a Subway sandwich.
You still said sandwich, I know that, right?
I know. Number 3, if I fold this over, what do you think? No. And number 4? Yeah. Questions for me on anything? Alright, so symmetry, that's when one shape becomes exactly like another if you flip, slide, or turn it. Line of symmetry is a line that divides a figure into 2 congruent parts, each of which is the mirror image of the other. So let me give you an example here. Let's say we have a picture of a heart. How many lines of symmetry would there be a heart? How many times could I fold it so that each is the same? Who said that? Someone said it. Once, yeah. We could fold it along this line and it would be the same. Just put an X through it. Alright, number 8. Determine the lines of symmetry in the figure. I'll show you in a bit. Okay, so what do you guys think? So I can go down. 8's really close. Can go across that way. I can go both diagonals. So you want to see how many times you can fold it. So I can fold it over this way. I can fold it down. I can fold it diagonal. I think that's all I see. Which way? You think so? Which way? Where do you think? Okay. So answer is 4. So we look at the number. So we had 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's try it. So you guys put the up and down vertically, right? I'm going to draw a straight line. Okay. We can go horizontal. What else could we do? Diagonal. We could go across those 2 angles. If you tilt your head to the side, that's when you see that. We could go the other way. We could also go this way. So we can go through this 6 times. Now, this figure is a hexagon. It has 6 sides, and you can go through it 6 times. It also has 6 angles. Questions for me? Twice is the correct answer. We could go this way, and if we fold it, it's the same. We can go horizontally. If you fold it, it's the same. So 2. So 11 you should draw. You're going to have to draw it on the bottom thing. And yes, the answer is 0, because if we try to split it any way, it's not going to fold over the same. Questions for me? All right, let's do our summary. So what were the 2 words that we learned about?
Symmetry and
Reflections and symmetry. Okay, a sample test question could be something like, you could just draw a heart and do lines of symmetry, question mark. How many lines of symmetry?